guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jordan, and it would mean the absolute world to me if you stuck around and subscribed to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can already tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my winter wardrobe essentials because you guys loved my fall wardrobes essential videos so much. I figured I would do a winter one, and I will do one for spring and summer if you guys want me to also. So these pieces I'm going to be talking about are things that I just think are obviously essential to have for the winter time, especially for when you live in a cold climate like me. I rely on all these pieces and constantly wear them throughout winter. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just hop right into it. The first wardrobe essential I have for you guys is the most important because you wear it literally every single day, and that is a coat. So I have two coats I especially love for winter. So the first wardrobe essential is a puffer coat. So this is my puffer jacket that I own. I absolutely love it. I got it for Christmas. It's Tommy Hilfiger, and it has a faux fur hood on it, which is super cute. And it's actually removable, which is really nice as well. This isn't completely full length, but it goes to about mid-thigh, which is really nice, so I can be super bundled up and stay really warm. This honestly is a lifesaver because it's always so cold in Buffalo. I also really love faux fur coats for wintertime because these are really warm as well. If you want to get a little bit fancier, and if you're going out to like a nice dinner or event or something and you don't want to wear a puffy jacket, you can wear a faux fur or real fur, whatever your preference. I can't afford real fur, but you can just wear a fur coat and that'll do the trick of keeping you warm, and you'll also be looking super stylish. So this one that I'm showing you guys, I actually snatched from Goodwill for the best deal ever. I got it for like $8. It's originally from Express. It's just this really nice cream fur color. It turns to black faux fur, and I just think that this is really, really chic, and you look so rich when you wear a fur coat. My next winter wardrobe essential is a fur vest, but I just think it really dresses up any outfit, and you can just take a simple basic piece and just put on a fur vest and it'll warm you up and you'll look super cute while doing so. So this one I found from Goodwill as well for literally like $2, but I love it so much. I love the chocolate brown color, and honestly I just feel like $1,000,000 when I wear this vest. And not only fur vest, but vests as a whole I think is a really important wardrobe essential for winter time, just because they're so easy to throw on and they add an extra layer of warmth. So the other vest I have to show you is just this white one from Lululemon. This one's more of a like workout one, but I still really like it, and it does keep me warm and adds an extra layer. I love just throwing on like a long sleeve with a vest over it and leggings and calling it a day, because it's so easy, but you still kind of look cute, you know? My next winter wardrobe essential is the most basic you can get, but it is an essential, and that is just like chunky sweaters. So I have this really cute yellow one. It's super cozy. You can just throw on a sweater when it's really cold out, and it looks like you're wearing an outfit when really you're just super comfortable. I love pairing sweaters with just some dark wash jeans and some Converse. Literally the easiest outfit, but you're still cozy. Kind of building off the sweater essential, I also think that sweater dresses are a wardrobe essential for wintertime. And it's kind of hard to wear dresses during the winter because it is so cold, but when you wear a sweater dress with some tights, love it. I also really enjoy pairing sweater dresses with riding boots because I think that just looks like full circle all put together. So this is just the one that I have. It has a really nice cowl neck. I got it from Charlotte Russe, I believe. Moving on, my next winter wardrobe essential is just long sleeve basic tops. What I love so much about long sleeve basics is that you can dress them up or dress them down. They're so good for layering. I find myself wearing these a ton no matter what I'm wearing them with. You can wear them with vests, layering with a flannel and a jean jacket, scarves, literally anything you want. So this is just the basic I have to show as an example. It's just this dark purple, and it looks kind of boring, but you can really, really dress this up and make it your own. My next winter wardrobe essential is turtlenecks. Probably my favorite one. I wear turtlenecks almost every single day just because I love them so much. Call me lame, but I think they're cute. So this one I have to show you guys is just maroon, and it's from American Eagle, and honestly this is one of the comfiest sweaters and turtlenecks I own. I love pairing this with a nice wine lip color. Turtlenecks are just so cozy and they hide your double chin, so what's better than that? This next piece is something that I've been loving for the winter time especially. So it is just a nice robe. I highly suggest you invest in a robe. They're the coziest things to curl up in with after a long day. Honestly, it's like the best thing ever. This one I have is just from Windsor. It has some pockets here. It comes with a little strand so you can like tighten it around, or you can keep it open. It also has a hood as well, which I really like, but this is so cozy. I feel like a teddy bear when I wear it, and I just love it. My next winter wardrobe essential is stating the obvious, fuzzy socks. You can never go wrong with fuzzy socks. I have literally so many pairs of these. They keep my feet so warm because for some reason my feet and my hands are always freezing, so these definitely help with that during the winter. I also love tights and fleece tights, especially for the winter time, so this is my next essential. So these ones are just a maroon pair. I don't even remember where I got these. I think Forever 21, but you can find them so cheap. Tights are great because you can wear skirts and dresses in the winter when usually you wouldn't be able to because your legs would be freezing. My last category for winter wardrobe essentials is shoes. Of course, I couldn't keep them out of this video. My first shoe essential for winter is just a pair of Uggs. These are just the chocolate brown color. These are so amazing. I know they're not like the cutest shoe, but sometimes you have to sacrifice style for warmth, but these honestly do the job. They're so thick with fur and they keep my feet dry and warm. They are a bit on the pricier side because they are real fur. Next pair of shoes I have are just booties. Booties are a classic for any season, but especially winter because you can't wear like sandals or open-toed shoes. So these can really bring your outfit together while still keeping you covered from the snow. These are just from Steve Madden. I love them. You can find really cheap booties literally anywhere. I'd recommend TJ Maxx, but I love these. My last shoe essential and winter essential for this video is a pair of heeled booties. These ones I have from Windsor. They have this really beautiful rose embroidery on the back of the heel, and what I love so much about these is that, like I said before, booties can really bring a whole outfit together. When you want to like get dressed up but you can't wear stilettos because there's 3 inches of snow, you can just throw on these heeled booties and your feet stay dry, warm, and you're still looking really cute. So those were all my winter wardrobe essentials. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below if you aren't already. Make sure to turn on the bell for my post notifications, and make sure to follow all my social media. I will have them linked down below. And lastly, if you have any questions for a question and answer video, please comment them down below because I am itching to do a question and answer video. I think that wraps everything up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!